Welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into something absolutely extraordinary, a vehicle that takes luxury and comfort on the road to an entirely new level, the 2026 Rolls Royce Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. Rolls Royce, the brand that has always been synonymous with prestige, elegance, and unmatched engineering, has now entered the world of recreational vehicles. And not just any RV, but what is being hailed as the most luxurious motorhome in the world. So sit back, relax, and let's take a grand tour of this masterpiece on wheels. When you hear the name Rolls-Royce, certain things come to mind: luxury, class, sophistication, and engineering perfection. Their cars have always been designed to provide the ultimate driving experience for the elite. But imagine taking that same Rolls-Royce DNA and applying it to a full-size motorhome. The result is something you can't quite compare to any other RV out there. It's not just about traveling from point A to point B. It's about traveling in such style and comfort that the journey itself becomes as luxurious as the destination. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is designed to embody the spirit of the brand. Every detail has been crafted to perfection. The exterior is immediately striking. This is no ordinary RV. From the very first glance, you'll notice the signature Rolls-Royce grille, the Spirit of Ecstasy emblem gracefully mounted on the front, and a body design that manages to look both futuristic and classic at the same time. The sleek lines, aerodynamic structure, and premium paint finishes make this motorhome look less like an RV and more like a five-star hotel suite on wheels. It's big, bold, and undeniably beautiful. But the magic truly begins when you step inside. As soon as the door opens, you're greeted with a level of luxury you probably thought was impossible in an RV. Rolls-Royce has spared no expense when it comes to the interior design. We're talking handcrafted wood paneling, premium leather seating, cashmere-lined interiors, and even options for marble countertops in the kitchen area. Everything is customizable to the owner's taste, because Rolls-Royce knows their clientele wants something truly unique. The living area is designed to feel like a luxury penthouse suite. Plush seating, ambient lighting, and panoramic windows give you both comfort and breathtaking views of the world outside. The seating isn't just comfortable, it's fully adjustable, with heating, cooling, and massage functions built in. And thanks to advanced sound insulation, you won't even notice the outside world when you're relaxing inside. It's quiet, calm, and utterly serene. Of course, technology plays a huge role in the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome. Every element is smart and seamlessly integrated. Voice controls allow you to adjust lighting, temperature, and entertainment with just a word. The motorhome features multiple high-resolution OLED displays, a premium surround sound system tuned specifically for the interior, and even augmented reality windows that can display information about the landscapes you're traveling through. Imagine driving through the Grand Canyon and seeing real-time data about the formations projected onto your window. This RV makes it possible. The kitchen is another masterpiece. Rolls-Royce has taken the concept of mobile cooking to an entirely different level. It features state-of-the-art appliances, including a smart refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, and even a wine cooler. The countertops are made of high-grade stone, and the cabinets are finished with hand-polished wood. Whether you're preparing a quick snack or a gourmet meal, the kitchen makes it effortless and enjoyable. Now, let's talk about the bedroom. Calling it a bedroom almost feels like an understatement. This is more like a luxury hotel suite. The centerpiece is a king-size bed with Rolls-Royce's custom-designed mattress that ensures perfect comfort no matter where you park. The lighting system is designed to adapt to your circadian rhythm, helping you wake up refreshed and fall asleep peacefully. The room also comes with a massive wardrobe, personal entertainment screens, and even options for a private balcony extension that slides out when you're parked, allowing you to enjoy the view with morning coffee or an evening glass of champagne. And what about the bathroom? Once again, Rolls-Royce exceeds expectations. The bathroom is finished with marble, chrome, and glass, giving it the look and feel of a luxury spa. It includes a rainfall shower, heated flooring, and even a built-in aromatherapy system. Some models even include a compact jacuzzi-style tub. You might forget you're in a vehicle and think you're staying at a five-star resort. Of course, Rolls-Royce didn't just focus on luxury. The engineering under the hood is just as impressive. The motorhome is powered by a hybrid engine that combines a traditional Rolls Royce V12 with advanced electric motors, providing both incredible power and environmentally friendly performance. The hybrid system ensures a smooth, quiet ride while still delivering the strength needed to move such a large vehicle. And thanks to state-of-the-art suspension technology, every ride feels like you're gliding on air, no matter how rough the road outside may be. Safety is another major highlight. Rolls-Royce has equipped this motorhome with some of the most advanced safety features available. We're talking about 360-degree cameras, lidar-based obstacle detection, autonomous driving capabilities for highways, and even drone-assisted parking. Yes, you heard that correctly. When you arrive at a tight campsite, a drone can help guide the vehicle into place with centimeter-level precision. One of the most impressive aspects of the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is how it balances mobility with sustainability. The vehicle includes solar panels on the roof that can power many of the onboard systems, reducing reliance on generators. The hybrid system drastically reduces fuel consumption compared to traditional motorhomes, and Rolls-Royce has made sure to use sustainable materials throughout the interior, such as ethically sourced wood and recycled metals. Now, you might be wondering about the cost. Well, luxury at this level doesn't come cheap. The starting price for the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is expected to be around $3 million, with fully customized versions easily exceeding $5 million. But for the ultra-wealthy who want the ultimate travel experience, this is more than just a vehicle, it's a statement. It's about owning the most exclusive motorhome on the planet, one that reflects not only your success but also your taste for the finest things in life. What makes this motorhome truly special, though, is the experience it promises. Imagine crossing the country without ever leaving the comfort of luxury. Picture yourself parked by the beach, watching the sunset through panoramic windows, sipping on fine wine from your onboard cooler, and then retreating to a bedroom that feels more comfortable than any hotel. That's the magic of the Rolls-Royce Motorhome. It's not about the destination. It's about making the journey itself unforgettable. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome redefines what it means to travel. It's not an RV. It's not even just a luxury vehicle. It's a moving palace, a blend of tradition and futuristic technology, a dream on wheels. Whether you're someone who loves road trips or just someone who values the absolute best, this motorhome represents the pinnacle of what modern engineering and design can achieve. So, would you like to own one of these masterpieces if money were no object? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Would you take this motorhome on a cross-country road trip, or would you prefer to park it in one place and use it as your private luxury retreat? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Until next time, travel safe and dream big.